I'm at Autotyme Automotive, working on a 2015 Tacoma. Found the smallest pinhole leak down by the condenser. Here, hold that flashlight there. I'm gonna try to zoom in there. See the wet spot? That's where it's leaking. We're gonna try to, even the electronic leak detector wouldn't really pick it up very well. So we're gonna put on the UV light here. And I'm gonna go down there. I don't know if that's actually, nah, the glasses are scratched. Oh, you kind of saw it. There you go. There's a great picture of it right there. You can see the UV lights picking up the dye, the green dye in it. So, hey, that's a great shot. So anyway, Tom at Autotyme, working on air conditioning in cars out.